Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you the American buttercream recipe. This one is a detailed video, so make sure to watch it to the end. This is the recipe. This is the buttercream I used for my lax buttercream decoration. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch it. Go to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment and watch that video so that you will know the kind of cake you can decorate with this amount of buttercream. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my new video. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Okay, right now I'll be using 1.5 kgs of icing sugar with 600 grams of butter. I'm using Napa butter. Napa margarine is very beautiful for buttercream, but I have only 500 grams, so I'll be making it up with my King's butter. So I need 600 grams of margarine to 1.5 kgs of icing sugar. If it's 500 icing sugar, you need 200 grams of margarine. If it's 1 kg icing sugar, you need 400 grams of margarine. For this particular recipe, I'll be using half tablespoon of vanilla flavor and water drops. So make sure you watch to the end so that to know the amount of water you'll be adding. I'm looking for a 600 grams, but I have exhausted the King's butter yet. I'm not yet there, but I'll be using it that way. So just have at the back of your mind, for 1.5 kg you need 600 grams of margarine. Okay, let's start creaming. If you need a good and beautiful buttercream, please stop using your mixer on a high speed. Make sure your mixer is on a low speed if you want to use mixer, but to me it's not necessary. I prefer using my hand to cream my buttercream for it to come out so that there will be no egg pockets or air bubbles inside. Make sure you sieve your icing sugar. Very important. Cream your margarine a little before you start adding in your icing sugar. If you have been enjoying my lectures on YouTube, my teachings, please like this video. Give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to like my video. Appreciate your friend by liking this video. Very important to know how many tablespoons of water I will be adding. I've added 2 already. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video so that you will not mix it up. I'm not going to tell you how many tablespoons of water I added. I want you to drop it on my comment section. If you really watch this video to the end, I want to know how many tablespoons I use for this buttercream. As you can see, my buttercream is ready. Okay, the last buttercream I decorated, I used a lilac color, and I used 3 colors to achieve this: my blue, my white, and red. So you can mix these 3 colors and you will get your beautiful lilac color. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Don't forget to like my video, please. Share to your friends, and please invite a friend to this channel. Love you so much from Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. I love you. Bye bye.